Hey Mark, this is Tony from Alpine Lodging in Kimberley, BC. Just sending you a quick message to thank you and the crew for producing such a great website. We're super stoked with it, happy with the process, and I just wanted to pass on our thanks. It really was a great process and we are so excited for this coming season. We're using Hostfully as our PMS and we needed an integration between our property management software and our website. We were constantly pushing people, even from our website, out to the OTAs, and we needed to more direct bookings. Especially if you're a Hostfully client now, like we are, I would highly recommend the Boostly website. The integration is great. The booking engine itself looks like it's in our website, and it's really fantastic. And it was such a great experience to get this up and running, and we couldn't be more happy with our website.